everyone, hi, this is Young. Today we are going to study 주세요. Can you guess what 주세요 means? It means please give me. 주다 is a dictionary form, so just the original verb form. 다 doesn't mean anything, so we delete 다 and then just we put 세요. When we ask or demand something in a polite way, you say 세요. There's 주다, just delete 다 part, and then 주 and 세요 they put together. 주세요. If you want to say please go, then you can say 가다, and there's 다, just delete 다, and then put 가 and 세요. 가세요. Please go or go away. Please come. Then 오다, 오다, 오세요. 책 주세요. 지우개 주세요. 돈 주세요. 돈 주세요. You can put object at the first part of sentence and put verb at the end of the sentence. If you want to say give me some apples, then 사과 주세요. Since we already studied numbers, you can add number together. The number goes to the next two objects. If you want to say give me 3 apples, then you can say 사과 3개 주세요. You know say, but what is 개? Instead using plural and singular nouns, we always use counting unit. Generally, we use 개 for things, just the general things. 개. For people, we use 명, and for animals, we use 마리. Just the general thing, 개, and people, we say 명, and animals, 마리. For example, 2 erasers, then 지우개 2개 주세요. 햄버거 5개 주세요. 5 hamburgers. 생선 2마리 주세요. 생선 2마리 주세요. 연필 6개 주세요. When you go to the restaurant, you wanna order many things, not only one but also more than 2 or 3. And in this case, when we connect one or more nouns, we use 하고. 하고 means and. You can say 사과하고 딸기 주세요. What if you want to say 3 things? 사과하고 딸기하고 복숭아 주세요. So you can just put 하고. Guess what I want? 사과 2개 하고 딸기 5개 하고 복숭아 4개 주세요. Get it? Yes. 사과 2개 하고 딸기 5개 하고 복숭아 4개 주세요. Well, actually, there's another counting unit for the portion of some food. Like for 5 people, we can say 인분. So 삼겹살 5인분. And the noodle, the counting unit is bowl. So 5 bowls of noodles like that. So bowl means 그릇, 국수 5 그릇 주세요. If you want to say 2 cup of coffee, then coffee 2잔 주세요. 잔 means cup. However, again, it's totally fine. You can say coffee 2개 주세요. You can say like this. Before I go, just one more thing. Maybe you can hear 무엇을 드릴까요? Well, I don't think you're gonna use this one because it means what can I give to you? We use different vocabulary. 드릴까요? 드리다 means give. It's the same meaning. 주다, 드리다, same. However, 드리다 is extremely high, polite expression of 주다. The owners of restaurant or sales clerk or some people, they use this highly respected form of vocabulary to their customer. 무엇을 means what. 드릴까요? Give for you. So what can I give for you? 무엇을 드릴까요? Then you can say 커피 1개 주세요. Now you can understand 무엇을 드릴까요? 무엇을 드릴까요? 무엇을 드릴까요? Then we can say something something 주세요. That's it! 무엇을 드릴까요? 사랑 주세요. Well, I need your love. Please give me your love. 사랑 주세요. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye!